Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the long trailer analysis of Avengers: Age of Ultron. So, in this trailer, it's clear from the start of it that it's a high-budget film. There is a lot of CGI used in terms of the effects. When you see Iron Man, when you see things like this, that sort of effect, it's all CGI. Therefore, you can tell it's all high-budget stuff because it's not something that a low budget film would incorporate simply because they just don't have the resources or the funding to do so. So I feel that in this trailer you can tell it's blockbuster because of the budget, where it's set, just how much detail has been put into it, and purely because it's a Marvel film. Marvel Studios always produce things with a high budget and a decent amount of CGI to make it more interesting. There always happens to be a lot of action in Marvel films, whether it's supposed to be an action, adventure, or a thriller movie anyway. I feel that this is how they entice viewers because the trailer, they like to pack it with a lot of action and sort of a restrictive storyline in terms of you don't know exactly what's going on, but you can get an idea and you see the big names like Scarlett Johansson, Robert Downey Jr., and this immediately in itself, as well as the familiarization of characters such as Iron Man and the Hulk, Captain America, Thor. So when it all comes together, it's clear that they've used a lot of their time and a lot of their budget to sort of bring it together in a way that is going to be appealing to viewers. So that's why you see sort of the cross character input, and that's why you see things like cars flipping around, a huge Iron Man and fighting Hulk, for example, because this is the way that Marvel know how to entice their viewers, and I feel that it's effective because it works. After watching this, I'd be more than tempted to see the film, and I mean, let's face it, how can that not look interesting to anybody? Speaks for itself. I also feel like it's so effective that even though you might not follow the Marvel Studios franchise, or you might not be that interested in science fiction or sci-fi, if whatever you want to call it. I feel that because of the way it's been created and the pace used and the different kinds of scenes, almost like a montage from the variety of content you see, it's almost as though the average person would be enticed to see this film purely because this has the ability to capture a wide variety of people's attention. And I think that, for one reason, is very effective because that way it's not just a niche market, it's a mass market because they're targeting everybody. And as soon as you see action or drama or tension in the film, it's going to grab your attention and you're going to think, oh, okay, this is interesting. Maybe I should give this a watch. It's a smart way to market, and I think it's done very effectively with with Marvel.